In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create store policies on Shopify using their Help Center. Crafting clear and comprehensive store policies is crucial for setting customer expectations and ensuring smooth operations for your online store. So, let's get started on how to do this with ease. Begin by navigating to your Shopify admin panel. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the bottom left corner of your screen where you'll see the Settings option. Go ahead and click on it. This will open up a menu featuring a range of options that allow you to customize and control various aspects of your Shopify store. Within the Settings menu, look for and click on Policies. This section is pivotal as it lets you either add new policies or modify existing ones for various key areas of your business. While you're here, you'll find options for refund policies, privacy policies, terms of service, shipping policies, and even a section for your store's contact information. Now, each of these policies plays a unique role in managing customer relations and setting clear expectations. To dig deeper, select any of the policies you wish to set up. For instance, if you choose to work on the refund policy, click on that specific policy. Once selected, you'll be presented with a couple of options. You can enter a custom policy tailored to the unique needs and challenges of your specific business. This can be particularly useful if you want to provide detailed instructions or include particular conditions for refunds that align with your business processes. Alternatively, if crafting a policy from scratch feels a bit overwhelming, or if you're looking for a quick way to have established guidelines in place, Shopify offers a nifty feature. You can choose to have Shopify generate a standard policy for you. This option is fantastic for new store owners or anyone who wants to ensure they're covering all the basic legal protections and customer care aspects effectively. Once you've entered or generated the necessary text for your selected policy, review it to ensure that it accurately reflects your store's standards and procedures. Remember, clarity and transparency are key to maintaining customer trust and preventing potential disputes. And that's all there is to it. You've now learned how to create and manage store policies using Shopify's Help Center. These steps should position you to handle important aspects of e-commerce like refunds, privacy, shipping, and more with confidence and professionalism. Ensure your customers have a seamless experience by keeping your policies up to date and aligned with your business practices. Thank you for joining me today. If you have any queries or topics you'd like us to cover, feel free to reach out. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more insightful tips and guides to elevate your Shopify store.